Good evening. Today I want to talk about monster valuations today. This company will eventually become profitable because this is backed by a heavy parent. This company I'm going to talk about is Flipkart. Flipkart was started by two people named Bansals, though they were not related to each other. One of them had worked in Amazon and decided to copy the same idea in India. They started selling books in Bangalore and they originally were selling books by going around in scooters and delivering themselves. This company grew big, and as Amazon kept growing, this company kept growing. This company would have become as big as Alibaba had the current government given it protection. But this government allowed Amazon to open its stores in India and put heavy pressure on Flipkart. Beyond a point, these two bundles could not keep it growing, and they had to find a parent with deep pockets. Thus, the bundles were forced to sell Flipkart to Walmart in 2017 or 2018. When the Benzels quit the company had become strong. The company was nearest competitor to Amazon and in several categories was outselling Amazon, and they needed more capital to burn to keep competing with Amazon because Amazon had limitless money. At this point of time, when going got tough, Walmart decided to enter India. Walmart had already made an aborted bid to enter India through Bharati and a company called Bharati Walmart by starting series of wholesale stores where all Kirana stores could buy their products. That company didn't take off, and Walmart was forced to exit that company. There were also acquisitions that some Walmart executives indulged in bribing. So Walmart was always looking at a chance to enter India, watching its competitor Amazon going from strength to strength. When it came to a time when they had to make a move, Flipkart looked like an ideal fit. They bought 77% of Flipkart, valuing the company at $18 billion. The balance promoters retained the balance 23%. The people who kept it were Canadian Pension GIC. One of the people who exited completely was Mosishan's SoftBank. And periodically, the company has been raising money. Some time ago, the company raised $500 million, valuing the company at $22 billion. Now, the company needs more money because it needs to up its supply chain management, especially in the grocery and fashion chain segment. Now that Big Basket has been bought by the Tatas and Amazon is making a big move into the fashion segment, and one can expect Geo to put billions of dollars into the game. So there has been another round of funding in which Flipkart will raise $3 billion. $3.6 billion is planned to be raised. Walmart will put up its stake, and Moshi San comes back with Vision Fund 2. This values the company at $37.6 billion. So this money is going to be used to tighten its hold on Mintra. Mintra was acquired by this company, Flipkart, to strengthen its fashion segment to take on Amazon. Mintra was already a very powerful and strong fashion retailer. So once the supply chains are tightened, you can expect Flipkart to give the others for a run of the money. Also, there has been talk of an IPO by Flipkart where Walmart will disinvest some portion, other investors will exit, and the Flipkart will enter the Indian browsers. But we don't know whether the IPO will be here or will be in the New York Stock Exchange. For Walmart, Flipkart was an important acquisition because Walmart's businesses were real brick and mortar store with very little from online. Walmart losing its advantage to Amazon to a point that even Warren Buffett thought Walmart will not be able to compete with this giant and sold out his shares. The Walton family, which originally owned Walmart, still controls the board and has more number of a huge percentage of shares and have a controlling stake. It hopes that if the Flipkart model succeeds in India, they can import that model into other parts of the world and launch a parallel competition to Amazon, because in rest of the world Walmart's supply chain is ready and all it requires is the final front where the customer can have a shopping experience without coming to the store and the customers can move online. Walmart's own online experience has been a big failure and has not been able to compete with Amazon. In fact, Flipkart and Alibaba are the only two companies in China and India which have managed to give Amazon for a run for their money. In fact, Amazon is unable to operate in China. So the war between Flipkart and Amazon has intensified. Two more big players are going to join the battle Reliance with Jio is going to launch the battle with their Reliance retail venture, and Tatas, who are known for their end customer services, have joined the battle with an acquisition of Big Basket, 1MG, and other clutcher Curefrit and Carrot Lane. They are going to assimilate itself into one digital app and sell all Tata products and other products under one brand. Tatas have been trying to enter the retail space through Star Bazaar with limited success. They had to shut down the stores in various places and not been successful. But Tata's manufacture a huge range of products and will have a huge advantage when they launch. So it is going to be a battle of the big four giants in India. For that, Flipkart needs a lot of money and lot of resources, and that is why this fund has been raised. The target of Walmart is to divest in Flipkart at a valuation of $50 billion and still keep it as its subsidiary. And maybe if the Flipkart finally turns profitable in India, they can take this model across the world and integrate it with its supply chain. This will ensure that Flipkart will survive and become a global company. But at this point of time, this Flipkart is not making profits. Thank you for watching. Be rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written two books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.